Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, November 19th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar Canadian starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. But also, don't forget to check out my website if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily members only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So anyways, on the dollar CAD, we are definitely still going up. We are at a Fibonacci level, and this definitely looks like it could still turn down to make that wave C of wave B, like I've been talking about. So let's take it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, to me, it still totally looks like 5 waves down, and I still think this looks like impulsive up, corrective down, and impulsive up for possibly an ABC of B. So we definitely need to keep an eye out for a possible turn to the downside for the bigger wave C, which would likely take out both of these lows. So let's take it down to the daily time frame. Now we definitely did have a very strong move to the downside, as you can see, but that definitely to me does not prove that this uptrend is over. It kind of actually looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, and maybe a wave 5 to come on the daily time frame. So the trend is definitely still up on the daily. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, now we definitely did have a break of structure on the 4 hour, but if this right here is a 1, this is a 2, and this is a 3, then potentially we're in a wave 4, and potentially this could turn back up again for a wave 5. We do have some Canadian news coming out today, so maybe that's what will cause that. We'll just have to keep an eye and watch. Taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, we had a nice little impulsive move up and a nice little break of structure today. We'll have to see if this actually follows through or not. I was kind of wondering if maybe this was actually 5 waves down over here for the A, and this was potentially 3 waves up for wave B, and that this was a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave C. So if this is an ABC of wave 4, then this break of structure potentially could be the beginning of a move up like this for a wave 5. So we have to be a little bit cautious on this situation because technically the trend did break on the 4 hour. Technically the trend could be down now, and technically it could continue down. So we have to be a little bit cautious, but to me, on the daily time frame, it looks like it needs to make a wave 5, and we have Canadian news today, so hopefully we'll get one more push up for the wave 5, and then a reversal to the downside, giving us the end of a trend on the daily time frame. So don't forget to join my free Discord group. It's linked out here in the corner, and as always, thank you and happy trading.